From Sooner Standards, The Open Conspiracy by H.G. Wells, a complete political philosophy and critical analysis package built from Wells' 1928 Blueprint for World Government, for grades 9 through 12. Students learn to decode how rational-sounding arguments can conceal authoritarian aims, tracing propaganda, technocracy, and utopian rhetoric, while connecting nearly a century-old political philosophy to today's debates about expert governance and global cooperation. Inside, all 19 chapters analyzed with core themes, key insights, and hidden meanings sections, plus 19 group activities and 19 individual projects built around discussion-ready critical thinking prompts. Also included, 114 multiple-choice and 76 true-false assessment questions with complete answer keys, aligned to Oklahoma academic standards. That's 191 pages bridging political philosophy and critical literacy, ready for immediate classroom use. Find it at Sooner Standards on Teachers Pay Teachers.